Welcome. This video will guide you through the steps to reverse the direction of rotation and flow for a Viking Pump LVP Series vane pump. Before you begin, consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: SAE wrenches and Allen wrenches. The first item to address is the relief valve orientation. Remove and rotate the relief valve 180 degrees. Reinstall the valve so that the adjusting screw cap is pointing toward the new suction side of the pump. Next, remove the pump head. Remove the end cap. Under the end cap, there are two internal flow paths. One of them is plugged. Remove the plug with an Allen wrench and reinstall in the other hole. You may now reinstall the end cap. Next, the pump needs to be disassembled. Begin by removing the first carbon disc and sliding vanes. For seal removal, please refer to our component and cartridge seal replacement videos. Then you may remove the rotor shaft, push rods, and second carbon disc. Each carbon disc will need to be flipped so that the holes line up with the open holes on the suction side of the pump. At the back of the casing, you will find another set of internal flow path holes, with one of them being plugged. Remove the plug with an Allen wrench and reinstall in the other hole. You can now reassemble the pump. Reinstall each component, making sure to flip the two carbon discs so that the holes line up with the open holes on the suction side of the pump. When reinstalling the vanes, make sure the grooved face of each vane is in the new direction of rotation or on the leading side of each vane. Reinstall the final carbon disc and the pump head. Make sure to line up the hole in the disc with the open hole on the suction side of the head. A screwdriver or Allen wrench can be used to confirm which side is plugged. Finally, reinstall the seal and seal gland. The direction of rotation and flow of your Viking Pump LVP Series vane pump has been reversed and is now ready to be put back into service. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.